Today's topic is chemical bonding and molecular structure. By the term bonding, we just try to understand that it is the force of attraction that exists between the atoms. So, there are various types of force of attraction we come across. One is attraction between oppositely charged ions. This is what we are going to call them as electrostatic force of attraction. The another type of attraction we find it in the part of the formation of covalent bond. That is, covalent bond is a type of attraction that exists between two bonded atoms. Then we have a dipole attraction, which you are going to call it as a hydrogen bond. And metals atoms, they get attracted by each other. So, the attraction that exists between the metals, we are going to call them as a metallic bond. So, force of attraction in general results in the atoms coming closer to each other and then thereby forming a bond. So, chemical bonding is nothing but the force of attraction that exists between the two bonded atoms. So, there are three types of bonds or four types of bonds. One is what we are going to call it as an ionic bond. The other one we call them as a covalent bond. And the third one we are going to have as coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. And we have a metallic bond. And finally, we have a hydrogen bond. These are the types of bond or the force of attraction between the atoms. Ionic bond is formed between atoms having a low ionization energy and atoms having a high electron affinity. They form ionic bond. For example, sodium ion. Sodium ion has a low value of ionization energy and it forms a sodium ion very readily. Chlorine has got a very good high electron affinity and therefore it forms a chloride ion. So, sodium ion and the chloride ion, they form a bond called sodium chloride. So, one of the main conditions for the formation of an ionic bond is the metal atom should have a low value of ionization energy and the non-metal atom should have a high electron affinity. That is the first condition.